Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a special video for you guys. I have the unboxing of my new sewing machine. This one is the Brother SQ 9285. My tried and true sewing machine, which was a Brother sewing machine that I had since 2015. When I first started my business, it was acting up, so I decided to just get a whole new sewing machine because you know the time sometimes that it takes to take it to the shop, have them figure out what's wrong, order parts, and then charge you like the price that I'm gonna pay to get it repaired. I could just buy another one. So I'll eventually get it repaired, but I decided to buy a new one, and this is the one that I decided to get. I purchased it on Amazon, so this is sort of like an unboxing video. Obviously I've already taken it out the box, but I haven't used it yet. So for those of you guys who watch me for my sewing tutorials, they're gonna be coming back really soon. I've just been really busy. You guys know I just moved, and you know all the things going on in my life, so they're coming. I got the machine. We're gonna be having some awesome sewing tutorials. For my new subscribers, I just want to let you guys know that I am a fashion designer and a seamstress. I sell most of the things that I make on my Etsy shop, which is etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. And I'm going to be making some more exclusive pieces and things like that now that I have my new sewing machine. So what I'm gonna do is let you guys know what it comes with, just in case some of you out there are thinking about getting a sewing machine and all of that. What I have to do, what I have to tell you is though, when COVID happened, sewing machines went up tremendously because lots of people were purchasing sewing machines to make masks. So there was a shortage of sewing machines, so it was very hard to find some, and when you did find them, they were expensive. So now the prices are starting to come down again. So I purchased this on Amazon, and I'm gonna have an Amazon affiliate link. If I don't have it yet, bear with me, it will be up soon. Let's get into the video. So this is a computerized sewing machine. That's how I started sewing. I started sewing on a computerized machine, so I'm kind of used to that. I do have a manual machine, but I really don't know how to use it. I also have a serger. I've had it for 5 years now. I don't know how to use it, but we're gonna learn how to use those machines so that we can make our sewing projects so much better. But yeah, this one is computerized, and right now I'm just gonna talk about it, and then I'm gonna do a demo of it as soon as I get it set up. So it's computerized, and this is the speed settings. You can have it on the regular speed, the medium speed, or the fastest speed. This is to choose the stitches, the stitch width, and stuff like that. And this is like your reverse button right here. This is the button to bring the needle up and down. And I'll do a whole new tutorial on this because I know a lot of you guys who want to buy sewing machines don't really know much about them. I don't know everything about them. I just know like what it is that I need to use for myself. But this machine is also a machine that can be used for embroidery as well. I don't do embroidery, but hopefully one day maybe I will learn. And these are all the different stitches that this machine can do. So it's pretty good. I'll do a separate video on all the different features and functions, but right now this is the unboxing, and I just want to show you what it comes with. So this is the manual, which helps you with any questions that you may have operating this machine. This is the foot pedal. This machine actually gives you the option to use the foot pedal as well as like you can press I don't remember which button it is. I think, let me get back to you on that because I'm not sure, because some machines they give you the option to use the foot pedal, or you can just press the button or whatever, but I'll know more when I actually like hook this up and know what I'm doing. Since this piece already opened down here, this is basically like, I like this though because it's different. The other ones I used to have to pull out, but this one I just, because it's attached. This is so cool. This is the little pouch where you have all of your sewing supplies. You have like extra sewing needles, bobbins, and like just the little tools that you need, like if you need to open up the machine and things like that. So all of that is in here. And then there's some extra pieces. There's some extra pieces that it comes with as well. I don't know all the different parts and pieces, but it's good to have in case when you need it, then I guess that's when you'll try to use it. This is the power cord. And this is like an extended table for the machine. I've had these for my other sewing machines, but in all honesty, I've never used them. I'm guessing like maybe it's for like, I don't know, like embroidery projects or whatever. I've never used this thing where you extend the machine, so I don't know. Maybe I will one day. So these are all the parts that it comes with, guys. And I'm gonna have an Amazon affiliate link very soon. So I will share that with you when it's available, but I did purchase this on Amazon and I'll have all the information in the description box. So let me hook this up and then I'll come back and do a demo for you of some of the functions and how it works. But this is not a demo video, this is an unboxing. But I wanted to just show you a little bit about it, and I'll do a separate video to talk more about it after I kind of get to learn this machine, and I'll be able to help you guys. So let me hook this up and I'll be right back to show you how I'm going to use it.